love our life.
Hello, I'm Margaret.
And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela. We're about helping people saving wildlife.
I'd like to invite you along with our adventures.
So we decided we were only going to stay in Rwanda, pass through basically, but we changed our minds. So here we are in the Nyungwe National Park. It's pretty. Supposedly one of the few little pieces of rainforest left in Rwanda. So I'm sure we'll be in for a surprise.
One way or the other?
One way or the other. Right.
This rainforest in the rain.
You betcha. I have my rain jacket.
Good job. That means it won't rain for sure. I wish it was sunny so you could tell a little more how pretty this is. It's pretty rainforesty. Come see this woolly tree.
Coming to see the woolly trees full of moss.
Or something. I guess it's moss.
Moss and lichen.
No, it's real thick.
Yeah, it's really mossy. Huh. I think we might have come down just in time.
Yeah. Would have been good to get stuck on that muddy, steep trail with that. But maybe we can do it tomorrow instead.
It's supposed to rain in the rainforest. And it is. Here's that.
Trailhead, I don't know how we turn around.
Okay, we have a problem. We thought there was going to be a nice parking lot by this hiking trail where we could turn around. But that was not the case, so... Oh, look, there's monkeys. No, they're kids.
Well,
These gentlemen came and told us that we can't go further down and we're going to try and turn around here. It was very nice of them to come and help. So you think it's doable?
yeah, we will try.
Okay, here. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay, back up. You're doing good. Keep going. You're almost there. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, all turned around. Going back out.
With the help of the local natives.
Well, the one came scrambling down the hill, didn't he? And the other one appeared from I don't know where.
Well, this is what we planned for. be able to cook and do everything we need to, even in the rain. Luckily there's no wind. I better go help, don't you think? We don't need a faucet today.
Just wash the vegetables. Good morning. Looking to see if we've got anything, aren't you? So do the people like him?
Very much.
That is good. I'm glad to hear that. Because in some countries we visit.
You can use up rope.
There's a rope on top, honey, too. The blue one. There you go. Get some more monkeys.
Beautiful.
We didn't die.
It's beautiful. And our guide, he is A-okay.
Top
Yeah.
rate.
Thank you.